Welcome. In this session, we are going to learn what is AWS Aurora for PostgreSQL compatible environment. So when we are saying AWS Aurora, it means it is a MySQL and PostgreSQL compatible RDBMS database, and it has been created and designed by AWS. So it has all the features which are there in the cloud. Both the databases, when we talk about PostgreSQL or MySQL, both of them are open sources, so you do not need to pay uh, the the high fees which you actually pay in case of the relational databases, enterprise databases. And when we talk about the performance and availability is high class because they have been provisioned in such a way that availability and security all are required, or all are as per your requirement. When we say Aurora, it is 5 times faster than MySQL database and 3 times faster than PostgreSQL, and that has been done on PG bench um, testing scenario, right? And when we talk about the cost, it is 1/10 of the cost of the enterprise database. It is highly secure. Let's come to the PostgreSQL Aurora. So Amazon Aurora, we are very specific. We are not going to MySQL or Postgres. So when I say it has been created for the PostgreSQL, so it is an RDBMS, and it is coming under the flagship of RDS, relational databases services in AWS. So this is fully managed. You don't need to do anything in terms of the time consuming task, whether it is the hardware provisioning, database setting up, or patching and backups, etc. What makes Aurora so powerful? It's because of the distributed storage which it has. If there are some problem with the underlying storage, it has the self-healing capability. It can scale up to 128 terabyte. It has 15 read replicas. You can perform the point in time recovery, and you can back up the databases to Amazon S3. You have the replication across all the availability zones. So what is the difference between the AWS RDS and Aurora? So Aurora, you can have 15 replicas, and the replication is very fast, and the lag is just in milliseconds. When you talk about the RDS, you can have maximum 5 replicas, and the replication is slower, and it can be up to a minute, right? The replication on Amazon Aurora uses the underlying storage, so the replication process is faster. Is Aurora better than Postgre? If you have the read workload which can't afford high replication lag and requires more than 5 read replicas, you have to go with Aurora PostgreSQL. If the replication lag is acceptable from seconds to minute, you go for RDS. What is the difference between Aurora and Redshift? Both we are talking in terms of the PostgreSQL. So Redshift offers fast read performance over a large amount of data, and Redshift, it is good for the queries because it's a data warehouse, right? Aurora is optimized for OLTP, Redshift for OLAP. Is Aurora faster than Postgre? Yes, it is. It is 5 times faster when we talk about the um, so PostgreSQL, and 3 times in case of MySQL, right? Performance, and it has been done on PG bench. What is serverless Aurora? In case you have unpredictable load on your environment, you can go for serverless. So it auto scaling and sizing down the environment. It will happen automatically, so you don't need to do anything. So serverless is good in that way. I hope this is going to help, and thanks for